Hello friends, today I am going to talk about how to write the research proposal. First, you should know that research proposal we write before writing any synopsis or doing research. So, first decide on how you will answer the research question in limit of time, money, environment, tools available and ethics. So, plan your study accordingly. Proposals are written before the research is begun. So, proposals are just for whether the investigators has enough experience and resources to complete the project. Proposals are formal documents and have some basic parts. So, what are the significance or objectives of a research proposal? This is the introduction to the proposal. So, it is brief and contains the following: topic plus general significance should be in one sentence. Key ideas leading to gap or motivation should be in 2-3 sentences. Research question should be in one sentence. Why a research question matters should be specified in 1 or 2 sentences, that is in hypothesis. Or literature review. This is the background material, may include both published literature and unpublished lab results for which documentation can be provided. Overall goal of literature review is to be justified and it is necessity of the proposed research. Hence, must cover key ideas and must clearly demonstrate motivation for research, and it should be organized using subheadings. Now, methodology. Participants should be mentioned. Who is your target population? It should be specified. Sample, you can say. Procedure, how will research is conducted, to be conducted. Materials, list of actual materials, equipments, budget, etc. Provide copy of survey instrument also in this, in 4-5 lines or 1 paragraph. Now, references. Bibliography of all materials used in proposal in APA form should be mentioned. The proposal should include a concise statement of your intended research of no more than 100 words. You should explain the broad background against which you will conduct your research. Thank you.